Hey, welcome back YouTube. We're back with another one in regards to how to wire your subwoofer. When wiring, there's a few things you may need to know, like what is the ohms in the speakers. This rating you have to figure out to then match it with your amplifier. Here's a video showing that. So right now I'm testing one side of the subwoofer. This is a 1 ohm sub. So as you see, it's reading at 1 ohms. Test the other side of the coil, and there you go, it's 1 ohms as well. Now, if you wire it in parallel, this will bring the subwoofer rating down to half ohm. As you can see there. Now I'm gonna wire it in series. This will increase the ohm rating and bring it to 2 ohms. So this is how you match it with the amplifier that you're using. Now, seeing that we have a 1 ohm amplifier and we have 2 subs, we're wiring this in series parallel. So connecting like this would increase the ohms rating of the 2 speakers to 2 ohms. Then once parallel, bring it back down to 1.